Hello, dear students. Hope you all are good and studying home. Materials we are trying to provide you so that you study well at home, utilize your time well. Hope so you are doing these things at home. Today we are going to discuss about Olympism, means Olympic aim and objective, ideals and values. Olympism is to promote the development of those fine physical and moral qualities which are the basis of amateur sport, and to bring together the athletes of the world in this great cardinal festival of sport. You know well that Olympic is celebrated not only as games but as a festival all over the world. Nowadays, number of participant countries are immensely increased. Around 216 countries of the world all over are participating in the Olympic Games. So it is a festival for them. All the good athletes or sport person are waiting for the opportunity to participate in the Olympic Games. So it is highest reward to participate and win in the Olympic Games. So now we are going to study about the ideals and values. The Olympic ideals that Coubertin set before the world are enriched in these words, which I am going to narrate. The important thing in the Olympics is not to win but to take part. The important thing in life is not the triumph but to struggle. The essential thing is not to have conquered but fought well. Very well said by the Coubertin. If you are taking part in any game, it doesn't mean if we win only then it is a successful attempt. No. If you are taking part in any game, you are already successful. At least you tried for it. Winning or losing, that is another part, another phase of the thing which is happening. But if you are taking part in any game or you are trying for something, that is good. At least you are coming forward and trying to get that. There are some purpose uh, when we take part or when we organize such events on like Olympics and all. What are the purposes that we are going to discuss? First one, to draw attention of the world to the fact that national programs of physical training and competitive sports not only help in developing good health of young people but to create better citizens and promote development of their character and personality. That we have already discussed that physical education promote moral values and coordination and team spirit and other essential qualities within ourselves. When we take part in any game, we trying to cultivate these values in our life, in ourselves. So definitely it is helping a lot to make a better citizen, not only fit and healthy and citizen having good health, but it is promoting for the development of character and personality also. Taking part in such events create them a sense of loyalty, companionship, and team spirit, and thus enabling young people to be more useful in life. To stimulate the fine art by the organization of exhibitions and similar displays in order to broaden their outlook and make life happier for them. It inculcates among all sport persons the concept that sport is a pastime and not an instrument for material. Means it is a way of life, the way we live. It is a proper way of living, not only just for fun sake or something like that. It is a proper way of living. If we occupy that in our life will be much healthier and happier. to create a spirit of international amity and goodwill, and to contribute to better understanding among people and nations. In such platforms like Olympic, most of the countries are participating. Their people are coming and participate as a sport person. So there is a chance of interaction with different nationalities. So it is a platform which can conduct integrity within all the nations. So it is a very powerful platform, and definitely it create a spirit of international amity and trying to create a spirit of goodwill. So these platforms are very useful and make us a better people. Based on these ideals and of the fundamental principles of the Olympic are followed in Olympic family, there is no distinction of caste, creed, color, or race, and all the competitors have to be amateurs. So these all are the things about the Olympism that we have discussed today. Hope you all have understood. Today's assignment is to write a short note on whatever we have discussed. That is, you have to write a short note on Olympism. So that's all for today. Hope you all have understood well and write your assignment. Till then, you have to have good food, stay home, and exercise every day. Thank you.